If Slack search is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few fast and effective fixes that can solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. Search issues in Slack are usually caused by a temporary page glitch, a weak internet connection, a network problem, or cached browser data getting in the way. The good news is that these are all easy to check and fix. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. Sometimes Slack search fails because the browser session has just glitched out for a moment, and a simple refresh can bring everything back to normal. So click refresh or press the refresh shortcut on your browser and then try your Slack search again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Slack search depends on a stable connection, so if your network is slow or unstable, search may fail to load results properly. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick internet speed test and see whether your connection looks normal. If your speed is very low, that could be the reason Slack search is not responding correctly. After that, try switching networks. For example, if you are currently on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot. Or if you are using a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This is a very useful test because it helps you quickly figure out whether the problem is tied to your current network. If Slack search works on one network but not the other, then you know the issue is connection related rather than a problem with Slack itself. If the search error still hasn't gone away, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, Chrome can store old temporary files that interfere with web apps like Slack. To do this in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. From there, clear the cached data. Once that is done, reload Slack and test search again. This step is especially helpful if Slack was working before and suddenly started acting strange. A corrupted or outdated cache can cause search results to stop loading properly, even when everything else seems fine. So to quickly recap, if you get a Slack search error, first refresh the page, then check your internet speed, then switch networks, and finally clear your browser cache in Chrome. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the issue and get Slack search working again. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.